Ever thought about what life is like in the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica? But before we delve into that, let's journey back to the era of exploration. The year was 1820. The world was a vast, uncharted place, and mankind's insatiable curiosity was pushing the boundaries of known territories. A Russian expedition, led by the intrepid explorers Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and Mikhail Lazarev, embarked on a journey to the unexplored southern waters. Their voyage led to the first confirmed sighting of Antarctica, an icy, desolate land at the end of the Earth. Yet whispers of this frozen frontier might have reached the ears of explorers even earlier. Historical evidence suggests that mariners may have caught glimpses of Antarctica's icy peaks before the Russian expedition, although these sightings were never confirmed. Following this discovery, a new era dawned, the heroic age of Antarctic exploration. This period, stretching from the late 19th century to the early 20th, was marked by daring expeditions and remarkable discoveries. Explorers, driven by a thirst for adventure and the promise of fame, set out to conquer the harsh Antarctic wilderness. Among these brave souls were Robert Falcon Scott, Ernest Shackleton, and Roald Amundsen. Their names echo through the annals of history, synonymous with courage, endurance, and the human spirit's indomitable will. They ventured into the heart of the continent, battling brutal weather and treacherous terrains, with the singular goal of reaching the South Pole. Their stories of heroism and tragedy continue to inspire adventurers and dreamers around the world, and thus began the era of Antarctic exploration, a time of perilous journeys and heroic discoveries. From daring exploration, focus shifted towards scientific discovery. The winds of change swept across the icy expanses in the mid-20th century, as nations across the globe recognized the unique scientific potential of Antarctica. The year 1959 marked an unprecedented step forward with the signing of the Antarctic Treaty. This international agreement, a testament to the power of peaceful cooperation, established Antarctica as a sanctuary dedicated to scientific research and banned all military activities. In this newfound haven of knowledge, the world's scientists embarked on a quest to unravel the secrets held within the continent's icy depths. Today, Antarctica is home to research stations from numerous countries, each a beacon of human curiosity and ingenuity in the face of the continent's harsh conditions. Modern research in Antarctica spans a wide array of disciplines. Climate change, a pressing global concern, is a key area of study. Here, scientists investigate the past and future of our planet's climate, using Antarctica's unique ice records. Glaciology, the study of ice and its effects, provides crucial insights into sea level changes and global water cycles. Biologists, too, are drawn to Antarctica's unique ecosystems, studying everything from microscopic organisms to the continent's charismatic penguins and seals. And in the clear, unpolluted skies above, astronomers seek answers to the mysteries of the universe. The pursuit of knowledge turned this frozen frontier into a global laboratory. Our understanding of the world and beyond continues to expand, thanks to the ongoing scientific exploration and research in Antarctica. Now imagine surviving in a place where temperatures drop to -80 degrees Celsius and winds reach hurricane force. Welcome to Antarctica, the epitome of extreme conditions on Earth. Here, life isn't just about living, it's about surviving, persisting against odds that would seem impossible anywhere else. The Antarctic climate is not for the faint-hearted. It's a realm of unending cold, where winter temperatures regularly plunge far below freezing, and the summer offers only a slight reprieve. The winds are another foe, often reaching hurricane force, churning up blizzards that can last for days. Yet despite these brutal conditions, life does not just exist here. It thrives. Humans, driven by the spirit of exploration and scientific curiosity, have established research stations across the continent. Living in these outposts, often isolated for months at a time, requires a level of resilience and adaptability that is nothing short of extraordinary. But it's not just humans who call this icy wilderness home. Antarctica's wildlife, from the iconic penguins to the seals and seabirds, have evolved to survive and even flourish in this harsh environment. These creatures, through a remarkable series of adaptations, have turned the Antarctic's brutal conditions into a survival advantage, showing us that life is far more resilient than we often give it credit for. In the face of such extremes, one thing becomes clear: life persists, even in the harshest of conditions. In this icy wilderness, life thrives in the most unexpected ways. Despite the freezing temperatures and harsh conditions, Antarctica is home to a plethora of unique wildlife, each species having evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. Let's start with the penguins. These flightless birds are the poster creatures of Antarctica. Species like the Adelie, Emperor, and Chinstrap have found ways to thrive in the ice. They boast dense feathers and a layer of insulating blubber to keep them warm. Emperor penguins in particular are known for their impressive endurance, weathering the Antarctic winter's brutal conditions to breed and raise their young. Seals, too, are integral to Antarctic life. Species such as the Weddell and leopard seals are common sights along the icy shores. These marine mammals have thick layers of fur and fat reserves to survive the cold. They are also superb divers, with some capable of diving more than 3,000 feet deep in search of food. The skies and seas of Antarctica are also teeming with life. Countless seabirds, including petrels and albatrosses, defy the winds and cold, while the Southern Ocean is rich in species of krill and fish, forming the base of the Antarctic food web. But life in Antarctica is not without its challenges. Antarctica's ecosystems are fragile, finely tuned to the harsh conditions. They're incredibly vulnerable to disturbances, especially those caused by human activities. Pollution, overfishing, and especially climate change pose significant threats. As global temperatures rise, the very ice that supports this diverse life is melting, threatening the delicate balance of life. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected our planet is. The health of the Antarctic ecosystem has implications for the entire globe, affecting everything from sea levels to weather patterns. Thus, Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, is a living testament to the resilience of life and the delicate balance of nature. It's a world of ice and snow that teems with life, a testament to nature's tenacity and adaptability in the face of adversity. Yet, it's a world that needs our understanding and protection, now more than ever. So, there you have it. Antarctica's tale is one of exploration and scientific discovery, marked by resilience against extreme conditions. Its unique wildlife and fragile ecosystems remind us of nature's delicate balance. Next time you feel a chill, remember the explorers, scientists, and resilient creatures braving the cold in the world's southernmost frontier, Antarctica.